zero.
Zero! Zero makes nothing.
Wow, blue colored zero.
One cow
One cow.
eating the grass.
Yes, how cow speaks?
Moo.
Okay, one cow eating grass.
Two cars.
Two cars. One car is white and one car is red.
One car is white and one car is red.
How many cars are there?
Two.
Yes. Wow, three pigeons. So check how many pigeons are there.
Three.
Yes, right answer. Three pigeons on the grass eating grains. Wow.
Four clocks.
Yes, four wall clocks. Four clocks. We can watch time.
Five aeroplanes.
Five aeroplanes. Can you please count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, five aeroplanes. Every aeroplane has different color. Five aeroplanes. How many aeroplanes are there?
5. Six boys.
Yes, six boys standing. Can you please count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, right answer. There are six boys standing beside six digit.
Seven cats.
How many cats are there?
7.
Yes, seven cats sitting on the ground. What are they doing? I mean,
8 horse.
yes, 8 horses, 8 white horses. 4 horses are in front and 4 horses are at the back side. So total 8 horses.
8 horses.
Yes. Can you please count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, there are 8 horses. 8 beautiful horses.
9 bus.
Yes, 9 buses. What is the color of bus?
Blue.
Can you please count these buses?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, 9 buses. No. At last, 10.
10 chairs. Blue chairs.
Okay, let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, 10 chairs. So this was the counting from 1 to 10. I hope kids enjoyed counting.